Hello, we are Rie and Hiromi, cousins from Japan. Today, we'll show you how to make an easy heart-shaped origami with a message inside in less than 3.5 minutes. Prepare a pen and a piece of origami to get started. First, write a message in the white part of origami. Dear Mom, thank you for cooking delicious meals. From Rie, for example. Here, messages can be anything that you would like to express to your loved ones. Origami letters are cute, often viewed as expression of your thank you and or love. Fold in half diagonally. Unfold and do the same for the other side. Unfold, make a smaller triangle towards the center. Make a bigger triangle from the opposite side on top to cover the smaller triangle. Fold upwards from both sides, one by one. Looks like almost a heart shape, right? Turn over, fold to make tiny triangles on the white parts where they look like cat ears. Fold to make smaller triangles on the right and left sides. Turn over and it's done. If you have a paper glue stick, you can make sure that heart stays closed. Thank you for watching. Happy folding and sending love. 最後まで見てくれてありがとうございました。Please subscribe our channel if you like what you just watched or would like to support us. Please feel free to leave a comment or two. If you have any questions, ask us. We'll try to answer them for you. Any feedback is appreciated. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. The latest info will be posted there. Happy folding, everyone!